Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create comic text in Canva. Right now as you can see we are in Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template of 1600 by 900 pixel, right? Now we are just going to change its color first. Let me change the color to black and now let's click on text, add a heading and write comic, select the text, change the text color to white, right? And then we are going to change the font type, right? So I'm selecting this Bangers font and going to increase the size, right? We have simply increased the size of this text. Okay, it's done. Now we are just going to elements and search for gradient, and here we are just going to place the gradient right from the graphics. Okay, now going to select this one gradient, rotate it to 180-degree angle and then place it over here. Now we are going to click on share, then download. Only the current page we require. Current page done, download. Add a page. Let's change the template color to white. Then go to uploads, click on upload file and upload the downloaded image, right? So we have selected this image, clicked on open. Now going to drag and drop this image over here, right? Let's increase the size, use the BG remover. Okay, let's click on edit first because it is not able to detect the background in that image, right? So we need to click on edit. No issues. We have clicked on edit, right? You just need to select the image, click on edit, and then you just need to go to the adjust in the tools. You need to reduce the brightness and increase the saturation, right? Increase the contrast little bit, and if required you can increase the highlights as well, right? Okay, now it's done. Now we are going to use the BG remover. Hold on. Okay, it's not detecting the background. Let's download it again. Current page done. Download. Add page. Upload the files. This one. Open. Bring this image over here. Use BG remover. Okay, it's done. Now we are going to edit it. Add some shadows. Glow effect. You can add any color like black color or whatever the color you want. You can reduce the blurriness, right? You can decrease the size, right? And if I talk about the intensity, you can increase the intensity. Now let's click outside. It's done. Now we are again going to click on edit and then okay, let's download it first. Share, download only the current page with transparent background in the PNG format, right? Okay, let's delete this. Come back to uploads, upload files and upload the downloaded image. Open, then select this image, click on edit again, glow, and here we are going to select the white color, right? Let's change the color of this template to some other color so that our changes could be visible to us, right? Okay, now we have selected the image again and clicked on edit, and here in the edit we were in the glow, and here we will increase the intensity, reduce the blur amount, and size you can simply increase, right, a little bit, and then click on cross, increase the size, right? And then you can simply click on share and download this image. Let's download this image, right, with transparent background. So you need to do it multiple times. So PNG format is there, only transparent background, the current page, click on download. Okay, it's downloaded. Now we are going to remove this, upload the new image file, click on open. Okay, it is here. We are going to click on edit again, and here in the glow we are going to add some glow effect again, increase the intensity, reduce the blur amount, right, and size we can reduce. Let us increase little bit. Okay, and your comic text is ready using Canva. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.